you, and welcome to all my new subscribers. I've had so many this past month. I'm very excited and I really appreciate it. Well, today there's no baking. We're going to do something fun. We are going to sample crazy sodas. That's right, sodas that you've never heard of. And I have a panel of guests who are going to be our taste testers. Let's see if any of them can guess the flavors of the soda. So, are we ready? Presenting our panel of taste testers. Here we go. Here's our taste testers. From the left, we have Scott. Hi, Scott.
Hello.
And we have Jason.
Hi, Baking Diva.
Hi. And we have Dawn.
Hi.
And we have Lucas.
Hi.
And Aaron. And they are our taste testers for the day. So let me get their first glasses and see if anybody can guess the flavor of number one. All right, I've given everyone their first glass of soda. They're going to taste it, and one by one, we're going to go around the room, and they're going to give me their guess on what kind of soda they think it is. So take a big gulp. Take your time. Take 2 gulps if you have to.
Oh, okay.
Savor the flavor.
I know it is.
Ooh, Jason's making an awful face. What happened to this camera?
Tastes like something.
Oh, Jason is not liking it, whatever the
I have a
flavor
guess.
is.
I know
I
it is.
have a
Wait a minute, I'm going around the
I
table.
have a guess.
Has everyone had a chance to flavor
guess.
it and maybe make a guess?
Let me guess first.
All right, Aaron, I'm going to start with
I'm
the
gonna
kids
say-
over here. Aaron, what flavor do you think the soda is?
Pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice. Lucas, what do you think?
Pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice. Dawn?
It tastes like Fireball,
Fireball.
but since I don't think that would be an option, it tastes like cinnamon to me.
Cinnamon. Jason?
I was going to go with cinnamon as well.
Cinnamon. And Scott?
Pumpkin.
Oh no! Wait, I have another
Pumpkin.
answer.
Oh wait, pumpkin. And Dawn, you want to change your
Maybe
answer?
Red Hots, like those cinnamon Red Hots
Okay,
candies.
let me get the bottle and I'll show you what it is.
It's
The second I tasted it, tasted like Fireball.
Yeah, it
Like
tastes
that
like
was the
pumpkin.
first thing
That's
I thought.
exactly what I thought it was too at first. I didn't want to say that.
pumpkin
Oh, I know.
spice.
It is pumpkin pie soda.
That
So,
tasted nothing like pumpkin
I'm
pie.
gonna
Hold that up for the camera.
I said pumpkin. You might say.
One for
Let
one.
me zoom in on that bottle.
You like that?
Number 1 was
No, I
pumpkin
got the
pie
Let's see.
soda. So, let's see. You said pumpkin. You 2 are out. And
I said,
It
I
tastes
said,
like
Lucas-
pumpkin.
I said pumpkin spice. So
And
that's
Lucas and Aaron were close. So I would say Aaron, Lucas, and whoop, Scott won that round. Let's get on to soda number 2. All right, we're on awesome, crazy, outrageous soda bottle number 2. Oh, Pebbles is up there barking. Everybody give it a taste. Savor the taste. Don't guess right away.
gross.
Aaron doesn't like this one. Oh, you
I
don't
guess
like it,
so.
huh?
It's like stings
have a guess.
afterwards.
Oh, they're not liking this flavor.
Is it stinging anyone's throat?
I have a guess, Grandma.
Oh, well, wait, we have to give everybody a chance
I
to
got it. I got it.
savor the flavor.
alright.
Don't guess yet. Don't guess yet.
I'm going to say.
Wait, we're not ready.
Why not?
Did everybody
I'll
else?
just say mine first. I got a better guess.
Well, no, you said first last time.
Yeah, so I'll go again. I was
Is it
right.
burning anyone's
I have
throat?
nothing.
It's burning my
All
throat.
right, Aaron, what do you think it tastes like?
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake. That's
Oh my
interesting.
god, this is burning my throat.
I don't know.
Well, take a guess.
Hold
What do
on,
you
I have to
think?
This is gross.
Take another sip. I'll come back to
Something
you.
I'm not
carroty.
taking another sip of
Dawn,
this.
what do you think it tastes like?
Cantaloupe? Or melon?
Cantaloupe. This is very interesting. One said, what did you say?
It burns
Carrot
though.
cake.
Carrot cake
Yeah, it
and...
does.
You feel it burning like way
What
in
did
the
you
back
say,
of your-
Dawn?
I said like
didn't want
cantaloupe or like
Oh.
melon, some kind of melon.
Jason, what do you think?
I'm going to go with orange creamsicle.
Yeah, that's what I
Oh,
think.
and Scott,
It tastes like that.
I'm going to say chili pepper.
chili pepper, and I'm
Burning
coming
my
back.
throat.
I feel like I can't
I'm
get
coming
away.
back to you, Lucas? What do you think?
Orange creamsicle.
All right, let me let you know what it is. Let me get the bottle. Hold
There's
on.
no orange, no orange.
They're not happy with this. This is buffalo wing soda.
Oh, it burns.
I got the pepper.
Let me zoom in on that bottle. Buffalo wing soda. So
Not
I have to say,
recommended.
Scott was the closest.
Why, what'd you say?
He said
Chili
like
pepper.
a chili pepper. And the rest of you were not close at all.
That's why it was burning our throats.
It burned your
Yeah.
throat, so you give this one a thumbs down. huh?
Gross, gross.
All
I've seen this.
So they didn't like the buffalo wing soda. All right, let's go on to bottle number 3.
Can't get it out.
All right, we're on to flavor number 3, and they're all going nuts. They said it smells and tastes disgusting. So let's go. Scott's trying it.
Oh my god, I want to just
Jason. Dawn. Dawn.
Is it bad?
My throat's still burning from the other soda.
Lucas is holding his nose, and Aaron. So
The
we're gonna.
smell is horrible.
Oh, they don't like this
tastes
one
like
at
the
all. Oh my
I got
goodness.
nothing.
But let's give them a second so they can savor the flavor and see what they come up with. They're not looking happy. None of their faces on this one.
Christmas tree.
I'm sure you recognize all these taste testers
smell.
from previous videos of mine.
How about
There's my
pebbles?
grandson Aaron over there.
Wood. This is
And
wood.
there's Lucas and my daughter
Jason.
Dawn
This is
and
wood.
my son-in-law Jason and my son
And
Scott.
pebbles.
This is
And there's Pebbles. Let me go up there. Hi, Pebbles. You want to be a taste tester too? So does anybody
You
want to
drink
take
the
a
whole thing.
guess?
Yeah, well, hi.
I'm gonna
I have
say bacon.
Scott says bacon.
I'm going somewhere along.
Now, what does Jason say?
I say German chocolate cake.
Oh my God, that's interesting.
Very
know what it is.
weird.
What about you, Dawn?
I'm gonna go with chicken and waffles.
Oh, that's
it's
interesting.
bacon.
What do you say?
Bacon.
Bacon?
I know it.
And Aaron?
Like maple, like some sort of maple
Well,
flavor.
all right, let me go get the bottle. Hold on.
She's just
We're good at this.
Look at this.
Like
We have
dog
2
food.
winners. It's bacon soda. Scott, you're a winner. And Lucas, did you say bacon too?
yeah.
So what did you think
These
that?
are all disgusting.
You didn't like, which one do you like best out of the
Not
3?
zero.
None.
First
Nope.
one so far.
The first one, I guess.
Oh, what was the
Pumpkin
first one
pie.
again?
the pumpkin spice.
Oh, so far they like,
pie.
what?
Pumpkin
Oh,
pie.
so far they like the pumpkin pie one first.
I
So
didn't
let's
like
go
any of them.
Well, I
on
didn't like
to,
any of them either.
let's go on to number 4. Hold on.
Can't wait.
Sounds fine.
Have a good
Okay, I just gave them flavor number 4. Look at their faces. Look at those faces.
one,
They're
but it
all
doesn't match the
testing
color.
it. Take a guess yet.
Wait, I know what it is.
Oh,
Is it
Pebbles.
candy?
Look at Pebbles. You wanted to taste
No.
it too?
I got it.
Oh, next
I had a
time.
candy, I think it is.
I'm giving you a few
really?
seconds so you can.
Ready?
Wait,
Get-
Uncle,
not
so
yet.
What do you think?
I think so.
Alright.
I think I have it, Grandma.
Well, let's try Jason. Jason, what do you think?
My guess is watermelon.
Watermelon.
I'm not
Too
close
easy.
to that.
I'm on something
I'm gonna say
way
cotton
too.
candy.
Wait, what? Is yours
Cotton candy.
No.
I gotta guess.
Cantaloupe?
Dawn.
Buttered popcorn.
Buttered popcorn.
How about Tootsie Roll?
Tootsie Roll. And Lucas,
tastes like
take a
Tootsie Roll.
guess.
This is so.
A little guess, please.
Lucas is green.
Disgustingness.
Okay, we know it's disgusting, but what do you think it tastes like? Just take a guess.
Oh no, go to Dad.
I already went to everybody. You're the
last
last.
Oh,
Cotton candy, I think.
My stomach's hurting
Why did you
already.
finish all of them? You're just setting yourself.
I don't know.
He doesn't
I'd
know.
pass.
All right, let me get the bottle. Hold on.
It's disgusting.
Buttered popcorn.
Oh, look at this. It was peanut butter and jelly
That's
soda.
what I was
Woo!
I said buttered popcorn.
I said
That's
watermelon.
close.
That's close
Yes.
enough.
I was close. The
I
word
know.
butter is in it.
Well, unfortunately, we have a lot of losers at this table.
The jelly flavor.
The taste test. Look at, they're all trying it again. Well, so far we have 2 more, but so far out of the 4, which one did you think you liked the best, Aaron?
None.
None of them.
None. Lucas?
None.
You didn't like any? Dawn?
They're all terrible.
I don't like peanut butter. or
Jason?
Peanut butter and jelly.
All right, and Scott, which was your favorite?
Baking.
Uncle Jason, if
Bacon.
you
All
drink
right,
this
let's
one,
go on to
Yes.
flavor number 5.
I think he's right.
All right, we're on to flavor 5.
I'm not drinking
Everybody
this.
get their palate going.
Oh my god.
Where's the water?
Scott is not liking this.
I'm laughing at
Oh,
those guys.
I should have given them. That's right, Dawn. I should have given you his water. Look at Dawn's face.
Oh my god. That's
Oh
horrible.
God. Oh, I should have given you
Oh my
water
God.
in between your taste. Lucas, have you tasted yours? Well, you
Yeah.
can't guess if you. Aaron, are you okay over there?
They're all going for my answer because of the smell.
No, you have to just keep tasting
Why do
it.
you drink it all?
Swallow it and see what you think.
He's gonna be
Jason,
throwing up later.
Jason just drinks them all down. He'll be sick later.
This was the strongest
No,
smelling
I
one.
didn't. I
He'll
knew
be calling FedEx in the morning. Oh, I have a tummy ache.
These are so gross.
You look like you're
Alright.
dying over
I want to go
there.
first, Grandma.
Oh, and it just lingers.
Did you taste it, Lucas? Yeah.
This one had the strongest smell.
Oh, Dawn doesn't like this
know what
one.
it is.
It's not good, Dawn?
Oh, Jason, you can.
Vinegar on
I'm
that.
getting nauseous.
It's we all need Tums when this is over.
Is everybody ready to take a guess?
Yeah, I want to go first.
Lucas?
Ranch.
Ranch what?
Ranch.
Ranch
Oh.
dressing?
Well, she
Yeah.
said ranch
Oh.
what?
Yeah.
So we all
No,
know
I said
that
ranch
that's,
what? Aaron, what does it taste like to you?
Ranch.
Yeah,
They taste like ranch dressing?
I know it is.
Yeah. I'm going with my popcorn again.
Popcorn
I'm
again?
gonna go with sour cream and onion potato chips.
Oh, that's a possibility. Scott?
I'm gonna say blue cheese dressing.
Blue cheese dressing. All right, let me get the bottle. Hold on.
Only one more to
I'll
go.
give them. I'll give them all a chance to catch their breath.
And so there you go.
Here we
no
are.
one
It's
got it right.
ranch dressing soda. So Lucas is the winner on that
Yeah,
one.
he copied me.
I didn't copy you. It's my guess.
So okay, we have one more to go, but let's see. What was your favorite flavor so far, Scott?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, Jason.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh,
But
Dawn?
they're all terrible.
the
They're all
pumpkin
terrible.
one, I guess.
The pumpkin pie one. Lucas, your
None
favorite
of
flavor?
them.
None of them. And Aaron, none of them.
Something better this round.
It's a big finale.
Yes.
Bring on the finale.
All right, let's go to the last number 6.
Finish the.
That
They're
was-
all
you said
sniffing
there was
with
gonna
their
be a
little
ranch one, and I
noses.
said there was gonna be a-
I think this is the finale, and I personally think, from pouring this, I think this
disgusting.
could possibly be the easiest.
bad.
Now, Scott says it's
so
disgusting.
It tastes like wood.
Oh, it tastes like wood. Oh.
Who would
It's
drink
like-
an entire bottle of
It's like
any
meatloaf
of
or
these?
something.
Well, I hope you're all enjoying this taste testing.
So-
If you all are interested, I did purchase these on Amazon.
Well, they can keep
I
them.
told
And I think they have many other flavors
I know what it
too.
is.
No, please don't.
No
buy anymore.
guessing, Lucas. Hold
No,
on.
I tasted it.
If you do this again, Kyle has to be
It
here to
tastes like
suffer.
wood.
Alright, you ready?
And Jake.
All right, Scott, what do you think it is?
Chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream. Oh,
No, I don't think
Come through.
ice cream. Jason,
I'm just gonna go with chocolate, straight up chocolate.
chocolate. Okay, I thought you would all get this. The same answer. Dawn.
I want to go last.
I'm going last one. I'm gonna have an answer.
It's chocolate something. I'm just not sure what.
Chocolate something.
I'll go with
It's like peanuts.
chocolate cream pie. I don't know.
Tastes like peanuts.
Lucas, I can't see your face.
No, I have
Tastes
to
like peanuts,
think.
Mom.
All right, hurry up.
Gross.
Aaron, what do you think it is?
I'm still tasting. Hold on.
You're still tasting?
It tastes like peanuts. I don't know.
Well,
Peanuts?
whatever you
Peanuts. I
say.
go like peanuts.
All right, and Lucas?
I think it's chocolate.
Chocolate. All right. I will tell each and every one of you that there is not one winner in the group.
Can we have a second guess?
Okay, I'll give you a second guess before I get the bottle.
You
Aaron?
already chugged yours.
Aaron?
Go with me last. I don't know.
Lucas, another guess?
Wood.
Wood. Dawn, another guess? I really thought you would all get this.
Actually, no, I might want to change
I
this
got it.
here.
Over here.
Wait a minute.
Go to Scott. I don't.
Scott?
Hazelnut.
It's Jason.
Chocolate hazelnut.
Jason has no idea.
I can't. I don't know.
He has to go to work tomorrow.
It's either that or meatloaf. One of the two.
Meatloaf.
Chocolate meatloaf.
Oh, God.
Hazelnut meatloaf.
I
Dawn,
think it is hazelnut.
a guess. I can't believe it. I really thought you
Or
would
it's
all
like
guess this.
with Nutella.
Cocoa crisp.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Lucas, take a guess. Lucas, a guess.
I'll go Nutella.
Lucas doesn't want to guess.
Rusty metal.
I'll go Nutella.
Nutella. Okay, let me
Chocolate
get the
chip
bottle.
cookie?
Hold
Chocolate chip
on.
cookies?
Well, that one was, let me zoom in, coffee soda. I really thought they would all get that one. I I tasted it. I tasted a little bit of coffee.
I don't think Chloe does.
Scott doesn't like coffee.
Every
He
one
never
of these
drinks
was-
it.
I love coffee, and I did not taste any coffee in that.
You didn't taste any coffee either, Dawn?
No.
Lucas doesn't drink. Aaron, are you getting sick on the table?
My nose is dying.
Your nose is dying.
You weren't here for the. You weren't here for it.
For the real finale.
Oh, the real finale. I went to get the bottle. I don't know what they said while I was gone.
Everyone's burping and doing all
my
other
goodness.
kinds of
So
bodily.
everyone, did you
things.
enjoy this crazy,
Spittoon.
awesome soda flavor taste test?
I need some Mylanta.
Tums for everyone. My
Thumbs
treat.
for the tummy. All right. Well, I want to thank all of you for participating in this taste testing video.
This is disgusting.
Hopefully, my subscribers will
pee.
enjoy it. Maybe they'll want to buy it.
I
You know,
doubt
this
that.
would be.
Don't buy them.
Wouldn't this be a great game to play at Christmas when we're always looking for our games?
No.
Want to get a review on Lester's Fixings?
What?
Lester's Fixings brand?
Oh yes. What is it? Lester's Fixins. That's the brand of the
Don't buy them.
soda. I'll put a clip in
Y'all
for
get
you.
your fixins.
So thank you all for
Y'all
participating
get
in my
your
video, and thanks to all my subscribers for
Oh,
watching.
thank you.
And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe and the little bell, right? And what should they do, everyone? Give me a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. All right. Okay. Bye. See ya.
Toodles.
Love you all. Toodles. Okay, everyone. Well, was that fun or what?
No.
They don't agree. They all feel sick. And if you're interested in trying this, I know there's a lot of other awesome flavors. Look at them. They're lining them up here. Okay. All empty. Woo! Here we go. So, all right. I want to thank everybody for watching this fun taste testing video of the crazy awesome sodas. Did you all enjoy it?
No.
No.
Yes.
No. Oh, well, some did, some didn't. We had a couple of people that guessed right and others didn't, but it's all fun. So, I want to thank you all for tuning in and watching this fun video. I'll be back to my normal schedule of baking next time. So, thank you. Love you all. See you soon.